So in this video I'd like to have a look at the new Lumin skincare products. So it's been a while since they've actually launched these new products, but I simply haven't had time, and that's why in this video I want to unbox it, check it out and see whether it's better than the previous version. And with that said, let's get started. So first things first, let me open it up. Alright. And on the box itself it says Lumin, brilliant men's skincare solutions, providing simple solutions that work. Clean, hydrate and defend. And inside of it I got all of the new Lumin products, and I'm gonna unbox it and check it out. So inside of it I got the charcoal face wash, which is a daily detox, the charcoal scrub, which is a deep detox, daily face moisturizer, super light moisturizer, extra strength moisturizer, dark circle defense, instant dark circle corrector and instant redness corrector. So I've got a total of 8 products, and when it comes to the brand Lumin, I've known them for more than 3 years now, and I'm super excited to check these products out. So the first product I would like to have a look at is the charcoal face wash, and obviously when it comes to all of these products I will have them linked down below, and they also have this amazing free trial set. So if you're someone that's interested to check out Lumin but you don't want to particularly spend a lot of money to get all of these products, you just want to have a trial set, a test run, I will have it linked down below, and this way you can get your free trial set. Alright, so this is the clean product, and obviously when it comes to a charcoal face wash, it's to detox your face from all of the grim, all of the dirt build-up, oil build-up. And this is how the Lumin product looks like. Whilst previously it used to be in a little top like this, now the design is like this. So let me open it up. Obviously get rid of the plastic layer. There we go. So let me apply on my hands. There we go. That's it. So this is the amount that I'm gonna use now. Alright. Let's use it. And when it comes to this, also when it comes to a charcoal face wash, all it does is that it gets rid of all of the oil buildup, all of the dirt on your skin. Because throughout the day, as you're working, as you're going outside, inside, there's a lot of dirt that can build up. And when it comes to a face wash like this, it just cleans it and makes sure that your skin looks healthy and ready. And you can easily tell that when it comes to the application of this, it's quite smooth and easy to do. And then pretty much after this, now I'm gonna use a little bit of water and redo this again. And after that, I just wash it off and I'm pretty much good to go. And alright, I just came back washing my face, and I can't lie, when it comes to this face wash compared to the previous charcoal cleanser, it feels like it doesn't dehydrate my skin as much, but it was never a big issue for me when it comes to the previous Lumin product, because the next product, the moisturizing balm, always covered up for that. But it's interesting to see that when it comes to this face wash, it still cleanses my face, but it doesn't leave it as dehydrated like the previous version did. The next product I would like to have a look at is the deep scrub, and this is a deep detox. So what it basically means is that you shouldn't use this product every single day. I would recommend only once or twice per week to give your skin that deep detox, to really go inside of your pores and make sure they're clean. But other than that, I wouldn't use it too often because you can over exfoliate your skin, and this isn't really good in the long term. But yeah, let's have a look at it. So let me open it up. Alright, there we go. And obviously since you don't use it as often, it's a lot smaller. So let me quickly open this up again. Alright, get rid of the plastic. There we go. There we go. So compared to the previous bottles, I mean, yeah, this is a bottle, but the other one was like a top. It's easy to get it out. It's not like you're getting too much out. Whilst when it comes to the previous one, you had to get it with your finger, whilst now you just squeeze it out. But yeah, basically when it comes to this product, it says it's a charcoal scrub. The previous one was a exfoliating rub. It wasn't a scrub, it was a rub. So basically all you do is that you apply this product against your skin. Don't use too much pressure because you don't want to damage your skin, but at the same time you want to find that fine line, the fine spots, and for everyone it's a little bit different. So make sure you press against your skin like this, and then after that you apply a little bit of water to rinse it out, and that's pretty much it. Because if you look at my skin from a lot closer, you can see that this is all of the dirt build up because I'm applying this product against my skin, and basically what it is doing is that it's giving a deep detox. So now let me quickly rinse up my face and move on to the next product. That's pretty much done. And when it comes to this product, I initially remember the first time I used it, it really got rid of all of the oil and dirt buildup. But obviously since I've been doing skincare for 3 years now, it doesn't do as much anymore, so I don't have to use it as often. But especially if you're someone that's a beginner and you feel like you need an extra edge to really take care of your skin, this product is really good. So the next 3 products that I would like to have a look at is the daily face wash, Super Light Moisturizer and Extra Strength Moisturizer. So one thing about the Lumin Moisturizer is that it's been my all-time favorite moisturizer. I've checked out so many different brands, so many different moisturizers, but when it comes to the Lumin Moisturizer, it has always been my favorite one. But now they offer these 3 different ones, so I want to quickly apply all 3 of them and see what the difference is and what my thoughts are. But let's start off with the Daily Face Moisturizer, and this is how it looks like. And the way you do this, I think you pump it like this. Alright, there we go. That's it. So it does smell similar like the previous one, and it's still quite lightweight, so they have a super lightweight moisturizer version as well. But yeah, let me apply on my skin. Alright, there we go. And in general, when it comes to the Lumin Moisturizer, it's kind of been my secret. Every time I go outside, people always say, oh, your skin looks super good. And it's shining, and it's always because I'm using the Lumin Moisturizer, because in real life, it's hard to see on camera, but in real life, it really makes your skin shine. So if you're someone that's ever used it before, you'd probably know what I'm saying, and that's why I really like it. Alright, so I just applied it on my skin, and you can easily see that my skin is hydrated and moisturized. Another thing is that when I smell it, even though it smells the same, it kind of has a stronger fragrance than the previous version, because even when it comes to the moisturizer on my face, I also smell it a little bit more. So this was the Daily Face Moisturizer. And when it comes to the Daily Moisturizer, it has ginger and glycerol root extracts. Whilst when it comes to the Super Light Moisturizer, it has hyaluronic acid that draws moisture to the skin barrier and botanical extracts to keep your skin feeling hydrated and toned. So in general, when it comes to the Lumin Moisturizers, they don't really leave that greasy look. But when it comes to the Super Light Moisturizer, it's meant to do it even less. So the way you open is that you rotate it like this. There we go. And all I have to do is to squeeze it. Alright, that's it. And I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but when it comes to this moisturizer, it's a little bit more transparent than the previous one, because the previous one is actually white, whilst this one is more transparent. So let me apply it on my skin. There we go. I mean, you can literally see it whilst I'm applying it. It's kind of like dissolving. It's not on my skin anymore. Whilst when it comes to the previous one, you still saw a little bit of white on my skin. And it's way more, I mean, it feels way more like liquid than the previous one. Obviously, it's all liquid, but whilst when it comes to the lightweight one, it's lighter. And I think the Super Light Moisturizer is perfect on those extremely hot weather days, or if you're someone that sweats quite a lot. Because with the normal Lumin Moisturizer, you're more likely to get a greasy look if you sweat a lot, whilst when it comes to the Super Light Moisturizer, you most likely won't get this. And now I want to have a look at the Extra Strength Moisturizer. So this is how it looks like, and it's way heavier than the previous 2 ones. So let me apply on my skin. Alright. So with the previous one, you could instantly see that it was dissolving, whilst when it comes to this one, that's not the case. But yeah, let me continue applying it. And then it actually feels like it's giving it a whole protective layer over my skin. Like, it's not that only my skin is like, it's not like my pores are taking in all of the hydration, but it also feels like that there's an excessive layer protecting my skin. And this is how it looks like on my skin. So I've got 3 more products left, and 2 of them are like correctors. So one of them is an instant redness corrector, and the other one is an instant dark circle corrector. So let me start with the instant redness corrector. But if you look closely, you can see that's a little bit red here, a little bit red here. So it's perfect to check whether this product works, because it has a green color corrector that instantly neutralizes redness. Because obviously when it comes to the color table, the opposite of red is green, and that's what it does. And that's how green corrects redness. And when it comes to this product is a defend. So we've already used the clean and then the hydrate. Those were the moisturizers, and now this is the 3rd step, and that's defend. So let me open it up, and just like the other one, I've got pump it. There we go. Get all of it out. I don't think I need this much, but I've already got it out, so I might as well use it. Alright. Alright, so you see that I've got a little bit of redness here, and it's perfect to see whether this is gonna work. Alright. Let me use it on the other side as well. There we go. I feel like I've used a bit too much, but let me really make sure it goes in my skin. There we go. I don't want to look like a green monster though, but it does say that it will blend in when it comes to my skin, so it shouldn't be a big issue. I'm not sure whether I should have applied it on my facial hair, but let me get rid of it. Alright. I mean, to be fair, it did actually cancel out the redness, but I wouldn't apply it on your facial hair because for some reason it looks a bit more green than just black, because my facial hair color is black. But okay, overall, in terms of correcting redness, it does seem to work, but I wouldn't apply it on your facial hair. The next product I would like to have a look at is an instant dark circle corrector. So this is a product I'm super excited to check out because a lot of us always end up having eye bags even if we sleep properly. It can be due to our nutrition, lifestyle, or even genetics. And if this product actually works, an instant dark circle corrector, it is a game changer. So let's check it out. And on the back of it, it says lightweight yellow pigment counteracts blue and purple tone under the eye to immediately brighten and reduce darkness. Niacinamide works to reduce the appearance of fine lines over time. So once again, it's the power of color correction in real action. So let me squeeze it in my hand again. Alright. I managed to squeeze only this much, and to be honest, I do like it because now I don't have to use too much of the product. So when it comes to the instant dark circle corrector, even if you pump it correctly, it won't accidentally pump too much out, and I think that's pretty cool. So obviously when it comes to this color, it's meant to color correct my eyes. But, oh wait, 1 second, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's still a bit green from the previous product. So let me quickly clean this part and then I'm gonna use this. Alright, so I've cleaned this. Obviously we gotta make sure that the color correction will actually work because I accidentally applied a little bit of green over here. But yeah, let's apply it under my eyes. Alright, there we go. And let's do it on the other side as well. That's it. There we go. I've decided to use a little bit more just to make sure that it actually seems to work. So I've applied it under my eyes and I feel like that from a distance it does seem to work, but as you get closer, so if I'm closer, you obviously still see it. So when it comes to the color corrector, from a distance it works, but if you get very close, obviously you can still see it. So this is me from the future. So I just went to the bathroom and I checked my skin out, and when it comes to the studio light, because of the way it reflects my skin, it looks different than in real life. Because if you look at my skin in the bathroom, you can instantly see that it looks so much better. So the dark circle corrector is a quick fix, whilst when it comes to the last product that I want to have a look at is a dark circle defense. And this is a balm and it does work, at least the previous version did. So when it comes to this, I have to pump it out. There we go. And I really like that it doesn't pump too much of it out because you only need a little bit. And just like the previous version, this is transparent as well. So all I have to do is to apply it under my eyes like this. And I always do it before going to bed. And overnight, when you wake up, you can instantly see that it makes a huge difference. Because even now, just simply look at it. Whilst previously, even when I used the instant dark circle corrector, it did make a difference. But by me simply applying this balm, it instantly reduces my tiredness and gets rid of all of the puffy looking dark circles. Because simply look at me, I don't look tired at all, I look rested, like I'm ready to go. And that's pretty much it. So I've checked out all of these new Lumin products, and in terms of my opinion, so when it comes to all of these products, in my opinion, they're still extremely high quality. They've made some adjustment when it comes to the design, and obviously they've also got these new versions. So when it comes to the moisturizers, they've got the light version, the extra strength version, and I think this is amazing, especially for those individuals that want to have a moisturizer that adjust to them or adjusted to a certain time of the year. Because when it comes to the light moisturizer, I would prefer that in the summer, whilst when it comes to the extra strength moisturizer, maybe in winter time, in that instance I would love to have the extra strength moisturizer. And when it comes to the instant redness corrector, it instantly worked because I literally showed it on my skin. And when it comes to this product, the dark circle defense, obviously you saw in raw action, it instantly made a difference. And thus overall, when it comes to the Lumin products, do I still recommend them now in 2023? And my answer is yes, because the first time I checked out the Lumin products was in 2020, and even when it comes to those products, in my opinion, they're still one of the best men's skincare brand out there. But now they've made an upgrade, they've got newer versions, newer bottles, newer variations, and that makes it amazing. And thus, if you'd like to check the Lumin products out for yourself, I will have a special free trial link in the description, and this way you can check out Lumin for yourself. And that's pretty much the end of this video. If you want a step-by-step guidance in terms of how to use the products, definitely consider to the subscribe button, because I will upload it in a few days. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.